ubani uyingane yebo ubani uqondile nomsitabani ubani wena ungene kanjani la
Auto show. What is he saying? I don't understand what he's saying. Hi.
mina umuntu engizomsijabula ngapama ungikhiphele insha phethu yazi lasesirias
Well, 2,000 people watching. I don't know what he's good.
fuck you khipha le nto ngishale phone phansi mani yabona mbona ngingafuni live nje elinyenye
Ngilanjani
He's probably the prime minister.
fuck you hey thula man msunu thula winja thula hey we are fucking kwalezi here man wena yabona ndoda yabona bafethu wayo ngiyacelela uNkulunkulu ngicela ukukhipha ama CV abantu abakwazi i-technology buka nje ayikho lento le bali udistable
Khona ke msadala.
Siphumile akaphumile buka uthi ufuna ungiphepha buka
Ayikhipha.
Network is low.
ungenela namasimo ngicela uhambe uyomblocka lapha na uye la kuthiwa akona afuna ngisho sokwena mkhiphi ufake la ufake la afuna ngisho la sogwene la kuthiwa kufakwe laba abayizoni ke mkhiphe msunu